Have you heard the recent buzz about Apple's Namedrop feature in iOS 17? There's a lot of chatter, but what's the real story? Let's dive in, shall we? Namedrop, an innovative feature rolled out with Apple's iOS 17, has been the talk of the town, with concerns about it posing a potential security risk. But before we jump to conclusions, it's crucial to understand what this feature is and how it actually works. Namedrop is a smart extension of Apple's AirDrop functionality. It's designed to simplify the exchange of contact information between two Apple devices. Think of it as a digital business card of sorts. It only works when two devices are in close proximity and physically touching at the top, creating a unique and secure method of sharing contact details. The beauty of this feature lies in its consent-based mechanism. Both parties involved must agree to share and receive information, making the process mutually agreed upon and controlled. But what about security? That's where the conversation gets interesting. The concerns raised have been around the potential for contact information to be shared unintentionally. However, the reality is that physical access to an unlocked iPhone is required for someone to receive the contact data. It's not just about being in close proximity, it's about active, conscious participation in the process. Moreover, Apple users have full control over what contact information they share, and the sharing process can be cancelled if the devices are moved apart or locked. For those who still feel uneasy, Apple provides the option to disable the Namedrop feature in the iPhone settings. It's all about giving the user control and choice. So, what's the bottom line? Despite the noise and concerns, the Namedrop feature is not a significant security risk. Apple has designed it with user consent and control at its core. It's a feature that marries convenience with security, allowing for a simple and safe exchange of contact information. Remember, while Namedrop is not a major security risk, it's always wise to be aware of potential data leaks and keep your devices updated. So continue to use and enjoy the Namedrop feature, and stay informed about your device's security. In summary, Apple's Namedrop feature in iOS 17 is an innovative tool designed with user control and security in mind. It may have sparked some concerns, but the reality is far from the fear. It's not a security risk, but a new way of sharing contact information, quickly, easily, and securely. So fear not and drop names with confidence.